Hello everyone, welcome to Tri-C. This is the first subject for this semester, Fall 2009. I would like to welcome you all, and I will start by giving you some information about how to find the domain of a function. I will give you 3 examples of a function. Let us start by function number 1. Can you see the first problem? F of x equal 2x plus 3. You probably know that this is equation of a line. In order to express the domain for this function, you are looking for all values of x which will give a meaning to this function. You can tell that any x would work. Positive numbers, negative numbers. So we can say all real numbers will be the domain of this function. Now let us go to case number 2. Can you see the second problem? The problem here, let me read it for you. F of x equal the square root of 2x plus 3. Again, the problem f of x equals the square root of 2x plus 3. To find the domain for this problem, you need to make sure that the radicand can always be greater or equal to 0. It cannot be negative number. This is why you have to replace the radicand, which is 2x plus 3, to be greater than or equal to 0, and then you solve the inequality. You will subtract 3 from both sides, then the 2x will be greater than or equal negative 3, divide both sides by 2, then x will be greater than or equal negative 3 over 2, which means that the domain will be all x such that x is greater than or equal negative 3 over 2. The third case will be when x exists in the denominator, like a fractional function or rational function. Example for that would be f of x equals 1 over x plus 1. I hope you can all see example number 3. F of x equal 1 over x plus 1. In this case, you don't want the denominator to equal 0, so you will set up x plus 1 equal 0, solve for x will be equal to negative 1, and this is the value that we have to exclude from the denominator. The way you express the domain is all x except x equal negative 1. And by this, I can conclude the subject for today. See you next week.